In today's video, I will teach you how to create a stunning color splash effect with AI. Let's get started. First, go to Photo AI Photo Editor in your browser. Now click Upload to add your photo into the editor, or you can also try a sample image provided by Photor if you just want to test the effect. On the left panel, go to the AI Tools tab. Then scroll down and click Color Splash. Now choose from a variety of color splash presets to instantly apply the effect. Once applied, you can fine-tune using the intensity slider, where you can adjust how strong the effect appears, or the reverse effect, which inverts color and splash background instead, or use the add or subtract brushes to add or remove areas from the splash manually, and you can also adjust the brush size, and make sure to zoom in for detailed work and adjust the brush for precision. Now we're going to finalize and download. To do this, click Apply to confirm your changes. And use the Compare button to toggle the before and after view. And once you're satisfied, click Download to save your color splash masterpiece. For a dramatic effect, you can use color splash on a bright accessory like a red umbrella or blue eyes to make it the center of attention. And you're done. If you find this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. And if you want to see more tutorials, turn on the notification bell to get notified whenever we upload new videos.